Joffrey Santos, ang batang mamaw. Let's go. Uy! What a jelly layup, my friend. Pambira. Contestant 3-pointer, boy. And one. Tangkad rin na ito, no? Batang kalabaw rin. Ayan. Kahit payat siya, grabe. Nice. Nice pass, boy. Court vision, let's go. No look pass. Grabe yung court vision niya rin. Shooter talaga to, shooter. See? Traveling. Anyway, bata pa siya, tas mamaw na. Oo. And malayo pa yung mararating, tas mas gagaling pa to. So, hey, pag mag-gym pa to, tas lalaki pa katawan niya. Sobrang mamaw na to in the future. So, that's Joffrey Santos. So, comment down below guys kung sino yung gusto nyong player na gusto mong panoorin natin.